the loose items inside may fall out. As required by the Hong Kong Safety Department, the use of power banks is strictly prohibited during the flight, including charging other devices with power banks or recharging power banks. Power banks should be placed in the open compartments. Spare batteries, including power banks, must be individually protected to prevent short circuits and placement into original retail packaging, or by otherwise insulating terminals, or zipping or expanded terminals, or placing each battery in a separate plastic bag or protective pouch. Thank you. 各位乘客根據安全條例，請將所有手提行李放喺前面座椅下或行李櫃內。請隨身帶喺行李櫃，避免物件跌下。香港民航處規定嚴禁於飛行期間使用外置充電器，包括使用外置充電器為其他設備充電或為外置充電器充電。而外置充電器要不准放置於行李架內。備用電池須保持於原包裝內或裝內會接觸端口封好，單獨存放於保護袋中或接短路。多謝。各位乘客，根據安全條例，請將所有手提行李放在前方座椅下或行李架內，請小心打開行李架，以避免物件掉下。香港民航處規定，人員飛行時間使用外置充電器，包括使用外置充電器為其他設備充電，或為外置充電器充電，而外置充電器不准放置於行李架內。利用電池需保持在原包裝內或向外部接觸檔口封好，單獨存放於保護袋中，以防止短路。謝謝。